if I want mine to go super fast, I might say let's make this as light as possible so it can, like go faster than all my other friends' cars. Now if you have a super teeny tiny motor gear and a huge axle gear because you want to go super fast, that teeny tiny motor gear is not going to have enough force on it to propel this huge axle gear.
Right, so like he's talking about, we need equal gear ratios or gears that are basically the same size for the car to run. And in turn that both, because we want a ratio of gears that are both in turn going to be, or will give us power that's not too fast and not too slow.
Yeah.
That will be just right, because we can have really small gears, but they might not be able to power the car. Then we might have really large gears.
And it'll be too heavy.
It'll be too heavy to even move the car. So you want something that's just right so that the car will move or will be able to move, given both of them have to be similar in size, so that it'll not only be able to run, but it'll also be able to push and move the car as well.
So I know I open the bags.